One Piece has a lot going on right now, but nothing is more important to a franchise than its manga at the moment. If you did not know, the series is quickly approaching its biggest milestone yet, and as chapter 1000 is just on the horizon. You can just imagine how excited the fandom is about this epic accomplishment. And if a new update is right, then it seems One Piece will celebrate chapter 1000 in style. Over on Twitter, a popular manga fan page made fans do a double take when they shared a report on One Piece. WSJ Manga surprised fans when they shared some info with Manga Mogura about the upcoming chapter, and it suggests the 2021 release will get a full color treatment. One Piece 1000 chapter will be with lead color, publishing in the upcoming weekly Shonen Jump issue 5 out of 6 in 2021, and it is said that the chapter will be getting released on January 4th, 2021, as according to the report says. For now, this prediction is nothing but rumor until Shueisha confirms anything. However, the timing of this does make sense. One Piece will be on a break this week, so its next chapter will not debut until the week of December 13th. Weekly Shonen Jump will be on a break shortly after because of the holidays. So now new content will be published at that time. But when the publication resumes in 2021, its first issue of the year will kickstart with One Piece's biggest chapter ever. As of for now, One Piece chapters will cover, the question is as good as any. There is no word on what will happen, but creator Eiichiro Oda surely has big plans in store. The artist is known for doing up milestones movement, so fans can only dream about how he will celebrate 1000 chapter at the start of the next year. How hyped are you for the One Piece to reach 1000 chapter? Let me know your opinions in the comment section down below. Like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel because I post daily anime content about top 10 top 5 listings, anime reviews, recommendations, news, theories and all sort of anime content on daily basis just for you guys. So if you enjoyed, please subscribe, and that was it, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara.